Dear friends, imagine a retail store with countless products, ranging from clothes, electronics accessories, and household items, and everything in between. Each product has its own attributes. Each product has its own target audience and its own demand pattern. Now, if store will give attention on each product equally, then store would need to constantly monitor these inventory levels. They will have to ensure proper pricing and marketing strategies for each and every product. It would require substantial workforce to handle these tasks, considering equal attention to each product. While it may seem like a noble aspiration, the reality is that this approach would drain the store's resources, both in terms of financial and human effort aspects. In this case, valuable time would be also spent on those products that may have little impact on the store's overall profitability. Similarly, in the context of manufacturing industry, companies often produce wide range of products. These companies face challenges in managing numerous product lines, and each product has its own manufacturing requirements, its own distribution channel, and even its own customer base. Now, devoting equal attention and resources to every product would drain companies' entire capabilities, and it will impact on efficiency and profitability of the company. Instead, it is essential for retail stores and even manufacturing companies to prioritize their efforts based on the products that offer the highest impact to the business operations. This means identifying those products that generate significant revenue and give stronger customer base. By focusing on these high impact products, businesses can allocate their resources strategically, which will ensure maximum efficiency and profitability. So in a conclusion, while the concept of giving equal attention to every product in a retail store or manufacturing company may seem ideal, it is often impractical and costly. So to optimize operations and achieve long-term success, businesses must prioritize their efforts by focusing on those products that have the most significant impact on their bottom line. By doing so, they can streamline their operations, they can allocate resources effectively, and ultimately they can drive the success of their business. And to do this, selective inventory control methods are widely used across industry. Now we will talk about the topic called as selective inventory control. We all know that in the world of inventory management, efficiency and optimization are key to maintaining smooth operations and minimizing the overall cost. One approach that businesses use widely to achieve this is selective inventory control. Today, in this lesson, we will explore what is selective inventory control, why it is required, what are its benefits, and we will also talk about all the techniques used in selective inventory control. Now, selective inventory control is a strategic method of managing inventory by categorizing items based on multiple factors. Those factors could be value, demand, criticality of the product, and even source of the product. So there are many factors based on which the selective inventory control techniques are working on. Instead of treating all items equally, selective inventory control allows businesses to prioritize their resources and efforts on those products which have the highest impact on the business operations. Before we understand all these techniques, let's understand what will be the benefit of having selective inventory control methods. Now, by implementing selective inventory control, businesses can achieve multiple benefits. We have captured 4 major benefits, out of which the first is selective inventory control improves cash flow by reducing excess inventory and by preventing stockouts. Businesses can optimize their working capital by investing in the right inventory items at the right time to make sure that they improve their cash flow. The second benefit of this method is it streamlines the inventory management process by categorizing items based on their characteristics and attributes. Here, businesses can establish appropriate policies and procedures which will be used for procurement, storage, and replenishment activities in the entire supply chain. The third benefit of selective inventory control method is It enhances operational efficiency by focusing on high demand or critical items. And that's why businesses can ensure that their customers' needs are met promptly, and that will lead to improved customer satisfaction and their loyalty. Additionally, the fourth benefit of selective inventory control is it can lead to cost savings. How? By accurately forecasting demand and avoiding excess inventory, businesses can reduce carrying cost, they can reduce obsolescence, they can also optimize the warehouse space and utilization of the space available in the entire facility. And these are the four major benefits of selective inventory control methods. So just to conclude the overall topic, selective inventory control is a valuable strategy that empowers businesses to optimize their inventory management activities. That also helps to streamline the operations and improve the overall efficiency. By categorizing items based on various factors, businesses can allocate their resources effectively, and which will help to reduce the cost and to meet the customer demand with more accuracy and with more precision.